Guys, how to fix KB5039895 update fails to install in Windows 11. If you are trying to install this update and if you fails to install this update, here are the process, and the first workaround is go to Windows search and type disk cleanup and open disk cleanup windows. Here choose a drive, C drive, and click on OK. A new window will appear, and here make the check against option temporary files, downloaded program files, recycle bin, and search other files, temporary files, thumbnails, and clear. Click on OK. It will free up a space for your system. Sometimes it may be happen that your system not having sufficient storage, then Windows update fails to install in your system. So disk cleanup is the first workaround, and the second one is right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side under system settings, click on system. Thereafter go to right side and look for troubleshoot option. Click on troubleshoot, and here click on other troubleshooter and run the Windows Update troubleshooter. This is the initial workaround. This is an inbuilt feature of Windows system, and fix your, if any Windows Update related issue pertains to your exist in your system, then it will repair them. The next one is again right click on a start button, choose settings. From the left side click on network and internet. Thereafter go to right side and here click on advanced network settings. Click on it, scroll down, and you will find the option network reset. Click on it and finally choose reset now and follow on screen instruction to complete the resetting of network in your system, and check whether your update installing or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Chrome browser of your system and here type Microsoft Update catalog and open Microsoft Update catalog. If none of the above mentioned workaround success, then manually install your Windows Update. Search and download manually. But before manually download, you must scan your system with DISM tool and SFC scan now. So first scan now your system. Go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. And here execute the command as shown on a screen: DISM online scan health, DISM check health, and DISM restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. Once DISM tool successfully completed, execute the command SFC scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. After that, restart your